Growing oregano at home. Oregano is a fragrant, flowering perennial herb from the mint family that will add beauty anywhere it's grown and great flavor to any recipes it's added to. However you choose to grow it, use these tips for growing oregano at home, so you can have healthy, productive plants. Oregano hails from the sunny Mediterranean region, so don't be surprised that it is a sun lover. For location, select a sunny location, either outdoors or on a sunny windowsill. Oregano needs well-draining, nutrient-rich soil with a neutral pH of 6.5 to 7. Working compost into the soil before planting seeds will increase fertility and neutralize acidity. While oregano is not demanding when it comes to soil requirements, the soil needs to be well-drained. Oregano is generally planted in the spring after all frosts have passed. Seeds can be planted in containers and kept indoors in a warm location at any time of the year. Place seeds 8 inches apart on top of soil. Mist with water and cover with 1/4 inch of soil or compost. Place the container in a sunny, warm location. The oregano seeds will germinate in 10 to 15 days. Besides growing from seed, oregano can be grown from cuttings. When taking cuttings from oregano, cut stems about 3 to 5 inches long. The stems can then be rooted in shallow water before planting. Once the cuttings develop roots about 1 to 2 inches long, after about 2 weeks, transfer them over to soil. Oregano is a hardy plant with few pests. However, there are a few that commonly target it. Aphids and spider mites may be a problem in some cases. Use organic pesticides to get rid of them. Oregano can grow to over 2 feet tall when fully grown. Harvest oregano anytime after the plant is 6 inches tall. For drying, you can either pull off the leaves and dry them separately, or dry the whole stem first and then take out the leaves later. Thanks for watching.